Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to add bio on Instagram. Maybe you want to add bio on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add your bio on your Instagram profile. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll see Edit Profile below your profile picture. Tap on it and you'll see here the bio. Tap on this bio and then in here, you simply type in your bio. For example, hello. After that, tap on this check button. As you can see, you have your bio, and then again, tap your check button. As you can see, below your name is your bio. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add bio on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add bio on your Instagram account, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.